Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to make some monkey bread muffins. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
Add 75 grams of butter to 3/4 cup of milk and microwave until the butter has melted. Next, in a bowl, add in 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 packet of yeast, 1/4 cup sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix well, then set aside. In a bowl, add the butter and milk mixture, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of water. Mix until smooth and well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix. Add the remaining 1 cup of flour and mix. A shaggy dough should form. Tip the mixture out onto a flat surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes or until smooth and elastic. Cover and allow the dough to rise for 60 minutes or until double in size. In a bowl, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, add in 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder and mix. Punch down the dough and form into a rough rectangle. Cut strips about 5 centimeters in width. Then cut horizontally to form small squares. Roll each square into a ball. Dip each ball into 125 grams of melted butter with one hand. And with the other hand, roll the buttered ball into some cinnamon sugar. Place the coated ball into a lined baking tin. Continue to do this for the rest of the dough. Cover and allow to rise for 30 minutes or until double in size. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Next is the glaze. In a bowl with 3/4 cup of icing sugar, add in 2 teaspoons melted butter, a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence, and a few teaspoons of milk. Mix until smooth. Drizzle the icing over the warm muffins. Pull a piece off and enjoy.